Okwudili.
You are now listening to Tales of Okwudili Mgbafor on Okwo. Igbo, a village largely known for its rich palm trees and good tasting palm wine. Their cassava was rumored to always be the fattest and longest in the village, and their yams were a source of pride for their men. In each house, several women grew different vegetables behind her hut or kitchen, and these were tended by her children or herself if she had yet to procreate. Their King Anochili, was married to 8 women and had 1 or 2 children from each of them. His youngest wife, Akumili, was pregnant with her second child. The lands were fertile, their rivers never ran dry, and the rains came at their appropriate time. Igbo was a village with prosperity written all over it. The nearest village to it was Anakufe, the village where it was rumored that their women changed to mermaids at night. Both villages were at peace, but never had it been heard that a marriage ceremony was carried out between them. Igbo people were scared of giving their sons away to women who turned to mermaids, and their sons, on hearing a woman was from Anakufe, did a 360-degree turn. Igbo, however, was at war on the far eastern side of the village. A war was imminent, as the land that bordered them and Nkwong village had recently been found to be full of oil and gold. There was no clear demarcation on where one part started or ended, and also no clear history on who owned the land. Igbo and Nkwong were getting their warriors ready for battle, while the Whiteman was planning on how fast he could scoop all the oil and gold away. Okwudili Mgbafor readied the warriors of Igbo by day and discussed with the Whiteman at night. In Okwudili's household, his second wife Adaku had thrown away the Udaku of Nenna, the nursing mother. Nenna was Okwudili's third wife. She had just put to bed a set of twins. Adaku, who had yet to give birth, boiling with anger, threw away the oil used on the twins. Okwudili in anger gave her a resounding slap and asked her to pack her things. She fell down, throwing her wrapper away, and held his feet. The sight of her round and full breast reduced his anger, and he sent her into her room and banned her from coming out till the sunset. He gave Nenna money for another Ude and left the house to see Uliaku, his newest concubine. She knew how to rub his sorrows away. 8 or 4 market days later, the war for the land began. Okwudili went to war for his people, slayed the warriors of Nkwong, and came back a war hero. Igbo took control of the lands, and Okwudili was appointed a liaison between his people and the white man. Trouble started when Okwudili realized that the white man had double-crossed him.
Okwudili.